What is system server in Android? In previous videos, I told you about the bootloader process, about the kernel, about init, and about how init starts zygote. Now it is time to tell you about the heart of the Android framework. And if you still have not watched the previous videos, I highly recommend that you scroll back to the beginning and start from the start, so that your knowledge of how the Android ecosystem starts up forms in your head as one complete whole. So, why exactly is it the heart of the Android framework? It is simple. Because before the user sees the launcher and generally starts interacting with the main screen of your gadget, Android must start up one of the most important services of the Android ecosystem. This process is called system server, and inside this very system server, the most important system services of Android are launched, namely Activity Manager Service, Display Manager Service, Location Manager Service, Notification Manager Service, and in Android Automotive, also Car Service. I will tell you about all of these services in the next video. But for now, it is important for us to understand why exactly system server is the heart of the Android framework. So, it turns out it is not just one service, it is a process/container inside which a large number of Android framework services live. And from this very moment, Android starts to look like a full-fledged operating system that you and I see every single day. Almost any important action of an Android application goes through this system server container. If one application crashes, Android will simply close that application. But if system server crashes, this is already a critical system problem, because along with it, a large part of the Android framework will crash. For you and me, for ordinary users, this may look like a normal reboot of our own gadget. The result is simple. That is, system server is the central point where the Android framework starts managing applications, windows, packages, power, notifications, and other important parts of the system. That is why system server is commonly called the heart of the Android framework. In the next video, I will tell you about those very services that are located inside this heart of the Android framework. And if you are more interested in learning about the Android ecosystem and diving into the world of IT, subscribe to the channel and like this video. But for now, that is all. Bye everyone.